Hey, what's up you guys? Nalapog ko, it's Beauty. And nalapog ko yung bagong video naghihimo which is gikuha last August 1. Sorry kayo kay Dugay. And it's the 58th celebration of the Diocese of Maasin. Murag nag-una lang mi kay murag kuan para preparation para sa real thing. So, mo na to siya guys. So, hope you like it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey. Every week is Fashion Week for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Every week is Fashion Week for me. I just went to Barney, spent your whole year's salary. I never wore Yeezys, that's a fact. Every week is Fashion Week for me. Every week is Fashion Week for me.
Chapel presidents ay sulting-jungan. At ang inyong kaay karon ang tao makita sa inyong mga
particularly happening. The catechetical processes sa mas sa mga parokya sa Paglawig.
natay speaker gikan sa Cebu. Karon ang mga lingandamon sama ini ang porma gihapon. Dili dito ay kung dito ana dinhi mga tuog na.
So, more to siya for this video guys. If you like it, just hit the like below. And if wa pa mo nakasubscribe, subscribe na. So, bye! See you soon!